फ्रेंड्स, तो वेलकम बैक टू आवर न्यू वीडियो। आज के एक नए वीडियो में आप लोग का स्वागत है। तो आज के वीडियो में हम लोग डिस्कस करने वाले हैं स्कोप ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट, जो हमारा एथिकल हैकिंग का कोर्स कंटिन्यू है। द स्कोप ऑफ दिस प्रोजेक्ट इज एलिवेटेड द सुटेबल ऑफ सेल ब्रॉडबैंड इंजन of WPA cracking and evaluated whether the WPA encrypted is strong enough and offer other enough security. Therefore, it is tried to crack WPA by using brute force password cracking method because it is the only known way to crack WPA. WPA cracking is investigated in next chapter. Above password cracking is generally time consuming and multi-core platform should be well situated. Based on the research by Nick Braces about using PS3 with a Cell B processors to crack 8-character password and research by Lockheed Martini, it is decided to verify this platform can offer enough computational performance to implement brute force password cracking of WPA. This investigation consists in exploring brute force password cracking techniques, exploring the algorithm for WPA cracking analysis, the Cell B architecture and implementation techniques using profiling and metrics for evaluating the algorithm, and it is investigated how to modify the algorithm for parallel executions on the Cell B processor. Next point आता है हमारा problem definitions. The project problem definition is formulated as follow. How efficient is the Cell B processor for cracking the WPA standard using brute force password cracking? In order to solve this problem, several sub-goals have been identified as can be seen in this list. Study of WPA and weakness. A study brute force algorithm and existing algorithm for WPA cracking. A study platform tools implement techniques. Evaluate existing algorithm for chosen platform. Modify algorithm for Cell B. Implement modified algorithm. Benchmark of implementation. Optimize implementations. Benchmark of optimized implementation. Evaluate based on the previous sub-goal Cell B for brute force password cracking. Development model. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक आता है हमारा डेवलपमेंट मॉडल. दिस प्रोजेक्ट डेवलपमेंट मॉडल इज अडेप्ट फ्रॉम द A3 मॉडल अक्यूब यूज टू अल्बोर्ज यूनिवर्सिटी. दिस A3 concept provide a good design trajectory for designing and implementing signal processing system. Original A3 model divided development into 3 different domains: applications, algorithm and architectures. Therefore, a generic diagrams of a A3 model is shown in figure. तो देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर कुछ फिगर की मदद से हमें A3 डायग्राम समझाया गया है. एप्लीकेशन, डोमेन शिफ्ट, एल्गोरिदम, आर्किटेक्चर, डोमेन शिफ्ट. तो नेक्स्ट टॉपिक की ओर हम चलते हैं. इन ओरिजिनल A3 हैज ईच डोमेन डिफरेंट मीनिंग. द एप्लीकेशंस डोमेन इज द हाईएस्ट लेवल वेयर द प्रॉब्लम इज इन्वेस्टिगेटेड. इन जनरल सेवरल सॉल्यूशंस आर प्रपोज्ड एंड इवैल्यूएटेड बाय दिस इनिशियली एनालिसिस. जनरल रिक्वायरमेंट आर आल्सो डिफाइंड ऑन दिस लेवल. The algorithm domain served for shifting process solution into algorithm each also can be defined as block diagram, flow graph, or can be expressed as programming language. Code C is usually chosen or mental for testing. The last domain is about choosing the best fitting architectures. The code is investigated data on command oriented part. According to this investigation, the architecture are elevated. Some benchmark and result are compared with requirement from the highest domain level feedback between application and architectures level. The original A3 is more described and noteworthy in that several interactions are performed across different domains. Hence, an applications can be expressed in more ways through different algorithms, and algorithm can be also mapped into more than one architecture. तो next point हमारा आता है adapt A3 model. Adapt A3 model also contains these three domains, but the meaning of each of them is adapt. A diagram of the adapt model is figure 1.2, meaning of abstract level in the follow applications. This highest domain level server of initially analyzes the study of the problem, formulating requirement on applications, and define the main block of applications. Algorithm. The domain level is focused on algorithm, what is means to do work with requirement from higher level, and build a block diagram of algorithm, make up code and test functions of the algorithm architectures. The algorithm from previous domain level is examined and fitted to the architectures in compared with original A3, where is examined more possible architecture. In this adapter A3 is platform given theory by interactions between algorithm and architectures do not include different architecture, but this interactions is change the code and way of matching the code to the platform. तो देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर भी कुछ फिगर की मदद से हमें जनरली द अडेप्ट A3 डेवलपमेंट मॉडल को समझाया गया है. क्रिएटिंग डिस्क्रिप्शंस एंड फॉर्मुलेटिंग रिक्वायरमेंट एंड स्पेसिफिकेशंस एप्लीकेशंस में. राइट कोड अडेप्टिंग सम, इसमें कोड लिखा जाता है अडेप्ट करने के लिए. ब्लॉक डायग्राम, सी कोड टेस्टिंग फंक्शंस. एल्गोरिदम, फिटिंग और कोड for given platform architecture, testing and benchmark of implemented code. Checking functions of algorithm with requirement and specifications. Test and compare with requirement and specifications. Check of implemented versions with tested one on algorithm level. तो आज के वीडियो में यहाँ तक मैं एंड करता हूँ. मिलेंगे एक नई वीडियो में इंफॉर्मेटिव कंटेंट के साथ. जय हिंद.